Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live? They're the first true wireless earbuds from Samsung to feature noise cancellation, and they are tuned to offer a delicious amount of bass. Their bean-shaped design is unlike anything we've ever seen before. It must be said, however, that the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are quite the competitor. They provide most of the same features as the Apple AirPods, as well as some exclusive to Samsung device owners. Bad news is that they are not the top dog in terms of Android-based true wireless earbuds. That honor still belongs to the Sony WF-1000XM3. Galaxy Buds Live could be a more convincing alternative to Apple's noise-cancelling earbuds than the AirPods Pro, which cost $249, £249, $399, with Samsung's earbuds available for $169.99, £179, and $319. Samsung Galaxy Buds Live are quite similar to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus that were released earlier in 2020. The Buds Plus cost $149.99, £159, $299, which is about $20 less than the Buds Live. The Buds Live have active noise reduction, whereas the Buds Plus have ambient noise reduction, and the Buds Plus offer a longer battery life, but a lower one when you include the charging case. They are available in 3 colors, black, white, and bronze, and include a matching charging case. There is a USB Type-C port on the back of the case for charging, or you can charge the device wirelessly. There is a LED located on the case and on the earbuds to indicate the status of charging. Samsung has created something truly unique and exciting with these buds. You will have to push the speaker grill all the way inside the ear, while the charging contacts will sit on the upper part of the outer ear. Even if they fit properly, there's another problem. These headphones are IPX2 water resistant, so they're only good for workouts that are slightly sweaty or a light drizzle. In addition, each bud contains touch sensors which can register a single, double, or triple tap to play, pause, as well as skip tracks backwards and forwards. It is also possible to use a tap and hold on each bud. It can be set to increase or decrease the volume, launch Bixby or Spotify. However, Bixby is only available on Samsung phones, while Spotify is only available on Android phones. On each of the earbuds, 3 microphones, an additional voice pickup unit, a bass duct, and multiple sensors such as an accelerometer, infrared, and a capacitive touch sensor are located. Samsung has developed ANC for open-type earbuds that may reduce low-band background noise under 700 Hz, such as that from trains and buses, by 97% while enabling you to hear announcements and voices. At lower volume levels, we heard people around us with and without ANC, but when volume cranking was around 90% or more, voices disappeared with or without ANC. Call quality is excellent, which uses 3 microphones, an inner mic and 2 beam-forming mics on each side, and the voice pickup unit that detects your jaw movement in order to convert the kinetic energy into voice signals via bone conduction. You will then be able to speak clearly even in noisy environments. Using Bluetooth 5, Samsung has built a multitude of features for keeping the Buds Live connected and in sync with your device. Samsung's proprietary scalable codec ensures a stable audio stream by automatically changing the bitrate in response to the strength of the Bluetooth connection, thus preventing audio chopping. I find the audio quality to be fine. The bass has a fun, punchy bounce to it that makes songs like Godzilla from Eminem really slam, however it reduces the clarity in the mids and highs. You can select from 6 sound modes including bass boost and treble boost in the Galaxy Wearable app, though you are not able to set a custom equalizer. There is also a danger that this air vent will cause a lot of sound leakage into the seats around you. Upon full charge, the earbuds are expected to last for 6 hours, while the battery case cover can provide over 2 full charges, which is approximately 20 hours of playback. Even better, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live provide up to an hour of playtime with a 5-minute charge. It is similar to the AirPods Pro from Apple, despite many cheaper models, such as the LiProtect Heavy and even the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, offering longer battery life.